guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to the Naturally Nia. So today I'm going through literally like trying on every single thing in my freaking dorm closet. So don't roast me that I only have like 2 shirts. But let's see how long it's gonna take me and let's go. Hey guys, so I have to obviously show you guys like how my closet setup is for you guys to kind of see how I maximize my space. I guess to the best of my ability, but we'll just see. Okay, so first, here's like all my like shirts basically, or all my shirts and like sweaters and stuff. And then I have like this little like this thingy right here. Like I'm just so lazy, so I just throw anything in here, like a freaking heating pad. Like I'm so lazy, like there's anything. And then here's like over here in this section is like my dresses and my like hoodies, because like this thing right here is in the way, so I want my dresses to like have some hang time. So then here's like my like socks and stuff, and then I have like pants are in here, and then I have like my sleep clothes are like in here. So like that's my closet. This is the best I could do. I don't have anything else with clothes. Like I just kind of did my best with here, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so that's like my dorm closet, like what I have like at least here. I of course have clothes at home. That was more actually like more my winter clothes too. Like there really wasn't a lot of summery clothes. So yeah, I might do like a summertime one, maybe. I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Okay, that took like a lot of time. So we'll just see. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.